Congratulations, sis. Sana naalala mo pa ako. I just want to greet you congratulations. Ngayon, graduate ka na. Sana patuloy kang mag-serve kay Lord. In every decision you will make, you should consult God first. Diba sabi nga sa Bible, delight yourself in our Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 47 verse 3. Sis, sa naalala ko, ikaw yung tao na at first, akala ko tahimik, pero nung nakausap ko na, sobrang kaya makausap, you're so funny, at parati mo akong binibiro, at minsan, upo ka lang sa gilid, tapos magigitara, tapos kakanta, kinakantahan mo si Lord. Sana pagpatuloy mo yan, na kinakantahan mo si Lord, tsaka yung buhay mo, siya lang talaga ang inuuna mo. So, may God bless you more, at again, congratulations. Medyo pasok ka, pero this song is for you. Today is your graduation, a very special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrow, it's time to rejoice, 'cause today is your graduation, a very special day. You can hear the voices of your dearest brethren singing you a song, and everyone is wishing a happy, blessed graduation. Congratulations to you, and everyone is wishing a happy, blessed graduation. Congratulations to you. Again, sis, congratulations, and may God bless you more. If you need me, di ko ipa-promise, pero I'll try my best that I'll be there. Miss na miss ko na kayong lahat, at mahal na mahal ko po kayo.